Hello guys, how are you doing? And of course welcome to my YouTube channel. Of course this is Kare and this is Kare TV. Kindly, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, can we consider do subscribing? Also like this video, share, and if you have questions, of course you can comment down below. So today I'm just about to show you how we Africans who don't have dishwashers do clean our utensils. So guys, kindly watch this video to the end, and also do share and like this video, and everything. So the first thing you do is that, of course, here I have clean dirty dishes, dirty utensils. Here is water. I wash on this water and then I rinse on there, and then I will be putting my the clean utensils. I'll be putting them in that the blue bowl, and then when they dry off the water, I'll be putting them in the cupboard. So guys, I've washed a little bit. Of course we start with cups. I've washed a little bit of cups, and that's for rinsing. Here are the dirty dishes. So yeah, join me as we do this. So here guys is the clean water. As you can see, this one doesn't have soap, it's clean. And what I'll do is just rinse and then put them here to dry. Naonyesha kuosha vyombo Kiafrika. Mami, stop. Ntaziacha hapa uoshe.
Ngasi quiet. Anti Africa mavishe Clorox reshida.
Africa hatuna Clorox.
Lazim share Clorox. So
in Africa we don't have
so we clean
the Clorox.
Ada maji quiet.
Clorox. Hala mia Clorox na quiz.
Lazim Clorox.
Clorox na quiz. So of course guys, like I've said, when I go to the house, when this, like now I'm putting them here. I'm putting them here for them to dry. So when they dry, that's when I'm going to pick them. I'll be picking them, and then I'll be putting them in the cupboard, So don't be wondering how is she going to put all those things, in one bowl. No, I'll be changing them when they dry. These ones are clean. These ones are just covers for the spurias. And you see this one, this is very old. This is over 10 years. This thing, it's over 10 years. It's very old, actually. So that's the first lot is finished. Here it is. And then we go to the second lot, which is, the big stuff. All you do is you apply soap, then you clean your stuff. And it takes a very short time, actually. It's not like, the way you will be waiting for a dishwasher to finish, to rinse. So I think it saves time. And then it saves time if you don't have like a lot of dishes. It saves time. And still, I guess it saves a lot of water, It saves a lot of water. The only disadvantage here, I think, is, the bending. So you get a little bit tired, more tired compared to the machine, Because machine, you just arrange them and you leave them there. So this one you get a little bit tired, of course. And I think another thing is that here you will use a lot of soap. You'll use a lot of soap because you have to apply soap on every wash if you want your stuff to look like sparkling. Our dogs are here. My mom has some dogs, and I know they are wondering what I'm talking about. They be thinking, oh, this woman is crazy. What is she doing? What is she talking about? Why she talks too much? Very clean, guys. They are clean. So now we have to do the saucepans. It's only the saucepans remaining, so I have to make at least some space. And then, you know, the reason I put this, you know, there's like a cardboard here, so the reason why I put this cardboard is to avoid you know, because this is grass, there's grass over here, but you know, sometimes the grass, the dogs, they will be passing over here, so we always put this thing, the cardboard here, so that we because of the sand, because you know the grass isn't all clean, the sand and stuff, yeah. And of course there are some insects, small insects, maybe ants, yeah. That's why we tend to put this cardboard here. So guys, now I'm going to do the saucepans. When I see some leftovers, I give them to the dogs. They're just here. Then I do the saucepans. This is a tasty wood, you know, for saucepans. So we're done, guys. I'm done with today's work. Yeah. So just let them dry up. Don't worry about water that I've put here, it can be used to clean. In the first lot to wash, maybe in the first bucket to wash probably another lot. So we are done, guys, and let me just show you the work I've done. So guys, this is the work I've been doing. It wasn't a lot, but I'm so tired, but it's because sijakuwa nikinama hivyo sana. So those are the saucepans. That's where we put the soap and the the cloth for washing. These are the buckets, and of course these are the utensils. And I told you this cupboard is only for putting. We put them on here because we don't want to put them directly on the grass. Yeah, and of course these are our dogs. They were keeping me company. So what I'll do is take these utensils and go and put them inside the house for them to dry up, and then for them to be put inside the cupboard. So guys, thank you. That's it for today. Kindly do subscribe, like this video, share, and comment down below whatever that you have or whatever that you want to ask. Until next time, peace.